Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic thumbnail with Paint.net. And by the way, I'm using Bandicam because OBS is being really weird right now. But anyway, basically what you're going to need to do is get Paint.net. So literally go to get Paint.net and make sure you have Paint.net and you download it here. I already have it. And let me just tell you guys, it's going to be a very basic tutorial, not very like in-depth, just how to make a pretty basic thumbnail. But it's probably going to be better than using like Microsoft Paint or something like that. So what you're going to want to do is open up Paint.net. I thought I opened that. There we go. And click on File and New. And right here in the width, you're going to want to put 1280. And in the height, you're going to want to put 720. Okay, you're going to go ahead and click on OK. And then what you're going to do is go find an image. So for your background, let's just make like a Fortnite thing or whatever, basic Fortnite thumbnail. Fortnite images. Okay, we can find one. Let's just use. We could use this one right here. I don't think I've ever used this one before. All right, there we go. Save image. I'll call it Fortnite YT. Now I'm gonna go ahead and save this to my downloads folder and save that. All right, we can go ahead and close that now. And file, right here, come up in the top left, click on File, click on Open. And you're going to want to find that. So I put it in my downloads, so it should be here. There it is, right there. Okay, cool. We can open that and zoom in a little bit. Actually, no, zoom out. All right, so now we can go to the web, and we could say, let's get a PNG of a. You're gonna need to use PNG files so you don't have like a weird background. But Fortnite scar PNG. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click on images. And then right here, okay, there we go. You can see that little grid in the background means it's a PNG. If it's just white, you're gonna have like a white box around it, which you can get rid of pretty easily, which I'll probably try and show you guys as well. Go ahead and make sure you create a new layer, like so, and then just do Control plus V once you've copied that image. And yeah, we can go ahead and rotate that, make it bigger, smaller, flip it around, do whatever you want with it. But let's just put that right about here. I think that's good. Yeah, just put that right there. And then now let me show you this. Now go to the internet. Let's find a red arrow. Okay, so red arrow PNG. Alright, so let's go ahead and use this one right here. Now it loads in. You can see this one still has a white barrier. Copy image, paint, create new layer, then we paste, and then oh no, it's still like white. Now what am I supposed to do? Don't worry about it. Just center it where you want it, and like what you want it to be pointing at or whatever, like so. Don't worry about it covering that guy's face ever if you don't want that covered. And then go up here, click on this magic wand tool, and select the white, and then just hit like the delete key on your keyboard, and there you go. You have that deleted. Now you have, like I said, it's going to be a very basic thumbnail. But here you go. You have this thumbnail here. You can add in all kinds of stuff on the internet, like different PNGs. But now we're going to show you how to get a text on the screen. So what you're going to do is go to Flaming. Well, first off, you could find lots of text images on Google Images, which is also one way to get text. But anyway, if it's like a popular thing, but you're going to go to Flamin' Text. Just going to search that. Not in Google Images, though. It's a website. There we go, right here, Flaming Text. And then when we go here, enter a name or logo. So let's just put Fortnite. No, I spelled that wrong. Fortnite. Okay, there we go. And then we can select one of these. There's like tons of pages with different text, so look through them, find the one you want. But let's just go ahead and use this one right here. Alright, so we're going to click on edit logo and just go right here to the text. So right here, logo text, just put just spelled it wrong. Fortnite. And like so. And then we can save these as multiple different ones. And then image. Yep. Will it change if we do all caps? I've never actually used this text. I normally use the other texts. Alright, let's do that in all caps. Actually, no, that looks kind of weird because it's like cursive. Fortnite. There we go. And then you go to the background, and you're going to want to click on transparent. Make sure you use that. And then image. Don't worry about that. Just click on done. And then right here, you just click on download. Don't worry about buy logo. It's probably like if you want to use it as like a website or something, or a business logo. Anyway, so we're going to put it in our downloads folder and just call it PNG text. And save that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show in folder now and find that, open that up, and then just right click on copy, go back to paint.net, make a new layer, and then paste. You can see that text there says Fortnite. I personally wouldn't want to use this text because it's cursive. A lot of people can't read cursive, really. Some people can, but it's probably better just to use an easy to read text. But it says Fortnite, and you could go ahead and make another one of these. I would probably use a different text though, and make it say like "Let's Play," and then you can do one that says like a hashtag and then a number. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on File, click on Save As, and then call it. So let's call it Fortnite YT. And let's add another T, and then make sure you change this to a JPEG. Okay, it's really annoying when you forget to do that, and then it stays like a paint.net file. Click on Save, click on OK, click on Flatten. There we go. We can exit out of paint.net now. Close all this out. And then we got to find the thumbnail. And here we are, guys. There is the thumbnail we made. We could now go ahead and upload this as our thumbnail on YouTube. Anyways, if you guys found this helpful or anything like that, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, it's just how I make my thumbnails, and I did a video on this to show you guys, if you're wondering how to make like a basic thumbnail, because for a long time, these like isn't the greatest thumbnail, but my thumbnails were they're just horrible. And I had no idea how to make one, so this is kind of a nice thing to know if you guys are wondering how to make like a basic thumbnail. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know if I already said that. Have a great day. Peace out.